Thank you so much. I'm super excited to be here. First of all, that was an amazing demo. I want to thank Michael for doing that. That was incredible. Really shows the power of add-ins and what you can do. I never thought an email signature could be so powerful for an organization, particularly being able to measure customer satisfaction. That was a very cool example. And I was excited to see Michael in his demo was using his own sandbox, which is his own developer sandbox or tenant, to be able to create a prototype environment. And that's what I'm here to talk about today. And we have some exciting news that we announced last week at Ignite, which you may not have heard of because there's just so much news at Ignite, but wanted to make sure that everyone on this call was aware of it. And instead of really talking about it, I thought I'd show you our new movie trailer that we just produced. And so I'll play this and then we'll talk about it on the other side.
If you're a developer, you're probably familiar with the pain of spending your valuable time trying to get a developer sandbox up and running, trying to get a Microsoft 365 subscription, trying to get administrator permissions, waiting for apps to be installed or provisioned, or configuring sideloading. Then, just when you think you are ready, it can be hours before you can finally start experimenting and developing. Not to mention the time spent creating your own sample users and data to simulate a business environment. So many steps, so little time. Don't you wish you could have an easy and instant way to get your own Microsoft 365 E5 developer subscription with Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, and Office apps to test and model your ideas? Well, stop churning and start learning. The Microsoft 365 Developer Program gives you an instant, fully functional Microsoft 365 E5 sandbox, including a Teams sample data pack. No waiting, no provisioning. It's pre-made, so you can start learning and building your ideas quickly by making you the administrator of your own developer sandbox. Pre-provisioning services like Office apps, SharePoint, and Microsoft Teams. Pre-installing 16 sample users and data for Microsoft Graph, Outlook, and SharePoint. And offering you a Teams sample data pack that is pre-installed and pre-configured for app side loading with the Teams developer portal. This is a fully functional Teams developer environment with simulated teams, channels, and chats. So, what are you waiting for? Join the hundreds of thousands of developers participating in the Microsoft 365 Developer Program and get the benefits of an instant sandbox. Simply go to aka.ms/M365 Dev Program and click Join Now. Instant Sandbox. It's your friction-free way to learn and build Microsoft 365 apps and solutions, including Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, Microsoft Graph, and Power Platform.
So that was our debut of the Instant Sandbox. And just to kind of give you a little bit of background on the history of this, which I will be presenting. Been using this for some time. What's new from last week? That's a great question, actually. So what's new from last week is that while we provided you a tenant before, that tenant in many cases took a long time to provision. In some cases, it could take up to a day or two to actually get the tenant provisioned. And then it also took time to actually install sample data. We had 3 sample data packs, and we just added a new one for Teams. And that took a long time. And in many cases, people ran up against the fact that they couldn't add their sample data packs until their workloads were provisioned. So if you wanted to add the SharePoint sample data pack and SharePoint wasn't provisioned, you basically were told to come back. And when we talked to developers last summer, they were really frustrated with the fact that even though we could give them a tenant pretty quickly, that tenant really wasn't in a turnkey state. So what we're doing here is really providing an instant turnkey developer experience so that when you get an instant sandbox, you're actually going to have it pre-provisioned with all of the different services that you would need. So you can jump right in and start using Teams. You can jump right in and start using SharePoint. You can jump right in and start using Office. And it's also going to have all of our sample data packs pre-installed so that you don't have to do any of that work. So literally, it is instantaneous, and you're going to be able to actually get going and jump into whatever you want to do quickly and easily. So, that's kind of, why it's different and it's new. And it may seem like a simple thing, but for us to build this was incredibly complex. Not that you care about that, but been about a year of work for us to actually be able to pre-build all of these tenants so that when you come and you join the program or you're an existing user, we'll be able to take one off the shelf that's pre-made, hand it to you. All you're doing is essentially defining your admin password, and then you just have to get going. So it's super simple and really easy. And so we wanted to just make sure you were aware of this. Now, some of you who are existing users that are on this call, you're not going to be able to actually take advantage of this quite yet. By the end of November, all the existing customers will be able to access this. But if some of you haven't ever joined the dev program, as a new customer, you can actually get this today. We launched last week, and you can go to aka.ms M365 dev program to get it. And for those of you that are existing customers, what you'll see next week is you're going to see next to your existing tenant, you'll see a box that'll actually say, do you want an instant sandbox? And then you click here. It's going to have a plus sign on it. Hopefully that's going to be happening in the next couple of weeks. We're still working through the capacity issues, and we want to make sure that we don't end up with 404 errors or running out of tenants. And so we're working through that and scaling this out to new customers first and then to existing customers. So that's really the news I have today. And I hope you can give us feedback as you try it. Please don't hesitate to reach out and give us feedback if there's things that you see that you wish you had that you don't have, or issues that you have, so that we can make sure that we're delivering this and improving on it. So thanks for your time this morning. There's a good question. And by the way, if anybody has questions, I'm happy to take them now. Is it as persistent as a normal subscription to mimic a real environment? I also attached my Office dev domain. Is that still possible? That's a great question. So it is a normal subscription. It acts the same way as the subscriptions have acted over the last 2 or 3 years. If you're coming from Visual Studio, the subscription is automatically updated with your Visual Studio subscription. So as long as you have a Visual Studio Pro or Visual Studio Enterprise account, it automatically renews. If you're not a Visual Studio Pro or Enterprise member and you come in through the normal program, then it will basically expire after 90 days unless you're showing dev activity. So you do have to show dev activity in order for it to get renewed. You can also appeal, just like you've been able to do. Related to your question around domain, I think one of the things that is different is that in order for us to provide this instantaneous pre-provisioned experience, we have to actually assign a domain name. So you don't have control over the domain name. So if you prefer to control your own domain name, then you will want to still get what we call the configurable sandbox. And that basically is exactly what you've been used to over the last few years. And that's what is essentially a naked tenant that doesn't have any provisioning done and doesn't have any sample data installed. And so you'd have to do that all yourself. But if you want complete control over your domain name, then you'd want to go down the configurable route. But if you want that instantaneous experience and you don't mind having the domain name pre-configured, then all you have to do is figure out what your administrator password is, and you're good to go. So the other good question, now can we get 2 sandboxes using one dev account? Yes. So for existing customers, you'll be able to actually get your own second M365 E5 Instant Sandbox subscription. So that's how we make it easier for you to just be able to get this option. And then there's another question. So when you enroll, you can select naked or a provisioned account. Yeah, we don't call it naked. That's my bad terminology. But we call it, you basically have Instant Sandbox as one choice, or you have Configurable Sandbox. So there'll be a dialog box there, and you'll be able to see that. Glad I made everybody laugh with my naked terminology. Any other questions that people want to raise either in the chat or verbally? Okay. If not, I will hand everything back to David.
Thank you, Michael. Yeah, that's super exciting to see. It's great to see, we're making things easier for developers. And I use that I have one of those accounts. I use it like almost every day. It's like one of the most useful tools out there.